Do you know what it is? It's a mosquito racket, but it's not working. If we connect it with mainline, then the charging LED glows, but it's not working even if charge it full night. It's connected to the mainline and you can see the LED glowing, but it's not working. Nothing, no spark, no LED, nothing. So let's open this thing and see what we can do. I think no one opened this thing before me because the screw was so hard. All the screws are open, and what's the problem? Is there any screw here? Maybe. Yes. So we have to open this UC sticker. Let's open this one too. For safety reason, when we work with this type of high voltage device, then you can see here is a high voltage capacitor and here is one. Capacitor can hold voltage and they can zap you. So we have to short this leg before we touch it. If there are any voltage, they will discharge. But in primary inspection, we can see that every component looks good. So we'll do one thing. We will check the battery, is okay or not. It's a common program for this type of thing. Our multimeter in voltage DC 0 volt. After charging this thing, can you see the problem? What is this? Of course, this battery is faulty. We must have to change this battery and then we will see is this the only problem or anything else. We need soldering iron in 280 degrees Celsius. Soldering paste makes our soldering easier. Battery is connected and here is our new battery. Let's connect it now. Negative terminal and positive terminal. The new battery is little bit bigger than original one, but finally it's fit. And now we will see what happened when we try to on this thing. It shows the red LED glows, but this is very bad thing. It's not work with our new battery. Let's see. Now we see one problem. If you can see that resistor looks not okay. This resistor is connected with LED, so maybe for this faulty resistor LED will not work, but it doesn't matter. But we don't care if the high voltage unit is working. We desolder the faulty resistor from the board. The color code is brown, black, brown and golden. That means 100 ohms. So now I will replace it with good one. Here's our replacement resistor. This one is bigger than previous one, but it will work because they have same. This one is 100 ohms and this one is 100 ohms too. So here is our good resistor. We already put it in the circuit. Let's trim the leg. Use some soldering paste for solder joint. Thing is connected. Till it's not working. Battery voltage 4, but let's check that is our push button okay or not. It's okay, good. I open this transistor from the board and I see an interesting thing. This is D965 transistor. I saw that this one is NPN transistor, but you can see every leg is connected from everyone. That means this resistor is short. This resistor is not good. So now I will see that if I have one of these transistors in my collection or can I install a alternative one. So I don't have the exact same transistor in my collection, but I have something different and I will use this thing 2N222 and 2222A transistor for this alternative. For this replacement, let's try to solder now. This transistor is also NPN and Gemini said that this one may be a good alternative. So I go with it. Turn on this, try to power it on and check nothing happened. Still nothing happened. Oh my god, the transistor is super hot. I don't know what's the problem. This board is not working. So now I'm decided to do something else. I have this board and this unit is 100% okay. So now I'm going to try that. I'll try to fit this board inside this case, but it will be a challenge because our working board is small and switches are not in same position. So I have to do some modification. Let's see what we can do. The LED was bad too, so we install a new LED for our new system. Modified. So now we have to dismantle this switch and use this switch for our system. And maybe I'll use this push button in here for the operation. Let's see what we can do. I dismantle this switch from the working board and use this switch instead of it. Now I need to do one thing. I have to install a push button in here. Let's see what we can do. I use this push button parallelly with this one. Now it's time to connect our net. So circuit and switches are all in place. And now there's only the battery and the charging cable. These blue wires are for charging and this two is for battery. Disconnect old cable. AC port is connected. Done. And here is our new battery. Here is the charging port. Cover it up. Dream is now. I'm going to screw this thing. Everything is perfectly fit and now I'm going to screw it. And here is also a screw. Nice. So now our mosquito racket is got a new life and ready to kill some mosquito. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. It helps my channel.